how to manage inspired by settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here and click these 3 points, and once you're here click edit profile and then scroll down, click beliefs and then scroll down again, and here we'll find it. Click on it and type here anything you want, and then just save it. Click the save icon here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.